Hello there, moving on with Binary Options Academy project. We are intending to show you basic technical analysis things, basic stuff for you to consider when trading, and these are tools to look at the market and to find proper places or bullish or bearish places in order to buy, call or put options. This project here, or this educational series, refers to the dark cloud cover, and the term comes from the Japanese candlestick techniques. These Japanese candlestick techniques basically are, let's say, coming more and more into the Western world, or into the technical analysis branch on the Western world, and they are being embraced by more and more traders. It is working, of course, only on the candle chart, not on the bar chart or on the line chart, stuff like that. You would not know what to do. So anyways, this is my recommendation for any trader in this world, to try to look at candlesticks and not line bar, even though there are some nice trading techniques like market profiles or the line bars for trading the markets. Now this concept is being called dark cloud cover, and let's write here on the screen so that we know what we are talking about. So dark cloud cover, this is the name and the concept. It is a bearish concept, so you are looking for buying put options after a dark cloud cover. The opposite of it, if it is being called piercing, but that's another story. The dark cloud cover implies two candles, one that goes to the downside, one that goes to the upside, and of course it is a bullish candle, so this one we need to make it green. Let's choose this green and let's make it as big as possible, like this, a bullish candle, and it is being followed by a red candle, of course, which is a bearish candle. But this bearish candle needs to go and pierce into the lower half of the previous candle. So you have a bullish candle and then another candle that goes and takes the 50% level when compared with the previous candle. This is the pattern. The whole pattern implies two candles, and this is being called the dark cloud cover. There is no other thing to consider here. It might be that this red candle might be to the upside like this, okay, like this, no problem. It may look also like this. The important thing is to go over the 50% retracement on the previous candle, and not to go more than this one. What if the candle, the red candle, goes like it is the example here? What if the red candle goes and takes the whole pattern here? Well, this is being called a bearish engulfing, and it's another pattern, another situation with other implications. This dark cloud cover is a strong reversal pattern, not that strong as the bearish engulfing, but anyways, and it is being it is to be found on a regular basis in the currency markets. Not only on the currency markets, but also on equities and on any financial product that one may decide to trade. So let's move on to the second part, where I would like to show you some examples. This is the Great Britain Pound US Dollar 4-hour chart. As you can see, it is the actual chart. It is not something else. And I would like to show you some examples, but these examples are to be found out on any time frame, on any currency pair used as an asset. So buying call options or put options based on it are the logical thing to do. In this situation, of course, we want to buy put options because this is a bearish pattern and we're looking for continuation to be to the downside. The first example that we want to take a look at is this one here. As you can see, price comes and makes a bullish candle to the upside, so the green candle is done, and then the bearish candle to the downside that goes and exceeds the 50% and ends here. It is not a bearish engulfing, but it is a dark cloud cover. Therefore, the logical thing to do is that at the end or at the close of this candle, not waiting for a retracement or stuff like that, at the end of the candle, to go and buy put options with the expiration date being, let's say, depending on the time frame that is. In this situation, this is a 4-hour chart. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles multiplied by 4 hours. So basically 24 hours for your option to expire in the money. I would say that you are on the safe side with this kind of patterns. Let's move on with the second part to identify more examples here on the Great Britain Pound US Dollar 4-hour chart for the dark cloud cover. Keep in mind this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these are possible due to our sponsor Lioneye.